Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again here, my sister again. So my today's video guys, I am going to show you before and after the flooring of our house. So this is the first look guys. The floor looks like it's naked floor, and this is the hallway. And I'm gonna show you the master bedroom guys. This is the master bedroom and it's also naked. So if you see the woods laying on the floor, this is a base that they're going to put up right away after they put up the flooring. And so far it has a little improvement in this house. But yeah, this one here is walk-in closet. So today guys, we got the flooring from Home Depot. So we got 800 square feet for the living room, dining area, and 500 square feet for master bedroom. So stay with me guys, I will show you afterwards. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you try, I'm pretty sure it's worth. You'll change your life. Nothing. Okay guys, so katatapos lang mag-put up ng flooring mga contractors namin guys. So ito na ang itsura. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like for the Moonstone vinyl 100% waterproof vinyl. So it's looking neat for me. I don't know about you, but yeah, this is the flooring that we like. And then dito sa ibaba may di pa sila tapos dito, so kailangan pa ito nilalagyan ng vinyl floor. So yan na siya dyan. Yung may separate na space dito. Yan na siya dyan. Okay, but let's go to the hallway. Hallway muna tayo. Hallway. Yan na yan. I like the color of the floor. Dito yung hallway guys. Yan. May mga wire. So sa wall. Tapos na nilagyan na nila ng trim. Tapos yan. Okay guys. So dito hindi pa tapos yung stairs. At ito yung master bedroom. And if you notice, the color of the wall is polished ivory. So that's the color, looks like cream white. And the color of the floor, the vinyl flooring, is Edward oak. So yan yung color ng Edward oak. Para siyang may dark on the floor. Parang born dark. So yan yung color niya. Ayan. Ganyan siya yung color niya. At saka doon sa walk-in closet. Pati yung walk-in closet, the same color. So ayan. Ito yung closet. So kailangan ko pa siya lagyan ng shelf sa taas kasi maganda siya para parang yung mga damit na walang gamit pwede na siya doon sa pinakataas. Yan. Lagyan ko siya ng shelves doon hanggang dyan, doon at all around. At dito yan, ito yung bathroom. But anyway guys, this is the vanity place, makeup place. Okay, so dito naman sa kabila is the bathroom. Okay, and that's the shower we're in. It needs to be torn down soon. So, kailangan palitan namin siya ng tub na parang iglo. Ganon. So, yan. Di pa sila tapos. Diyan. Tapos, pwede ka na dito lumayas. Char. May extra door dito sa likod sa master bedroom. So, gusto mong tingin-tingin dyan. Pwede. But anyway, yan yung yung storm shelter. Usually kasi dito, we have really common and tornado problem. So, kailangan namin siya i-buried underground. But anyway guys, so far this is what they have finished. And they're going to finish completely tomorrow morning. Since they're gonna work tomorrow half day kasi Independence Day nila. Yeah, Independence Day. I really like this place right here. It's my favorite color. Red. Yan. So, our next project guys is the hardwood polish. They're gonna come back and polish this wood, and we'd like to recover the color of this. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna polish this and varnish and put a stain on it, so they look good much on this floor. So yeah, and soon the kitchen will be get painted too. I don't like brown. It's boring. What do you think? It's boring color. I like to be like tan or like white, beige, cream color. I don't like that one. So our dishwasher needs to be replaced, and we don't have stove. Where they remove the stove guys. So ni-remove nila yung stove para lagyan ng dyan. Flooring. But yeah, this is our house so far. So abangan nyo yung next kabanata ng farmhouse namin. But anyway guys, if you notice the trim, it's color marooned. Actually, it turns like color of the mahogany. Alright guys, so our next video, abangan nyo lang. Okay, yeah, I will see you guys. Hopefully you can see you next week. And we'll see what's our next project. So, our next project will be the hard floor, polish, and stain. Oh yeah. Alright guys, see you next time. Babu.